Menkaure, Khafre, and Khufu are three pyramids located in Giza, Egypt, that were built during the Old Kingdom period around 2500 BCE. Khufu's pyramid, also known as the Great Pyramid, is the largest of the three and one of the oldest and most significant ancient monuments in the world. There are many theories about the pyramids of Giza, and some of them are considered unknown or unproven. Here are a few examples. The water pumping theory. This theory suggests that the pyramids were used to pump water from the Nile River to the top of the plateau where the city was located. However, there is no evidence to support this theory, and it is widely regarded as unlikely. The sound resonance theory. This theory suggests that the pyramids were designed to create a specific resonance or frequency that would have had healing or other beneficial effects on the human body. There is